A handful of Ohio Republican lawmakers on Monday filed 12 articles of impeachment against Governor Mike DeWine over his response to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has been praised by leaders on both sides of the aisle, including President-elect Joe Biden. The governor responded to the impeachment efforts during an atypical Monday 3 p.m. COVID-19 briefing.
So at some point, this foolishness has got to stop. And we've just got to get, and I'm not talking about most Ohio. There's just a small number of people who just continue, for whatever reason, to think that this is and act as if this is some big joke and that this is all some fantasy.
Representative John Becker, a Republican who represents District 65 in Southwest Ohio, leads the effort to impeach the governor. Governor DeWine's mismanagement, malfeasance, misfeasance, abuse of power, and other crimes include, but are not limited to, meddling in the conduct of a presidential primary election, arbitrarily closing and placing curfews on certain businesses while allowing other businesses to remain open. He weaponized the Ohio Bureau of Workers' Compensation to bully and harass businesses and the people to enforce a statewide mask mandate and other controversial measures of dubious value, making Ohio a hostile work environment, Representative Becker said in a news release. Governor DeWine says that he wishes his Republican colleagues would pay attention to doctors and nurses who have made it clear that their hospitals are overwhelmed with Ohioans that have been diagnosed with COVID-19, some deathly ill, and residents with stories of regret from not taking this virus seriously.
Now, unless you think Andy Thomas is a liar, unless people think that these other people are liars, and that every hospital in the state is in some big conspiracy and that all these people who are in there really don't have COVID, that's it. I would say anybody has any doubts, just look at the hospitals, what's happening to the hospitals. Better yet, pick up the phone. If you got a friend who works in a hospital, call him at night, call her at night.
The Ohio Department of Health reported 6,242 newly confirmed cases, 342 hospitalizations, and 30 additional deaths on Monday. The Ohio Department of Health's website has a notice above the new COVID-19 data stating there are still thousands of reports pending review. Reporting in Toledo, I'm Jaden Jefferson.